Hi, this is Rod with Rod Inspects, and this morning we are on a 1927 house, and we are looking at it's been nicely redone. You can see some newer features, some older features, but we are specifically looking at the electric panel today. And this house has been rewired at some point. This house would have initially had knob and tube wiring, which is the old type of wiring. What we're looking at here in the sub panel is we have several oversized breakers. We have a 50 amp breaker on 10 gauge wire, and we actually have some 30 amp breakers. I know you probably can't read the amperage labels there, but that wire size is 12. And then we actually have, if you can see in the edge here, there's a loose wire. This wire is not connected to the breaker lugs. Grounds and neutrals are on the same bus, which is not allowed by current standards, and so we'll be annotating these things on our inspection report. And in this case, with the loose wire, for sure we will be definitely recommending an electrician come out and just make improvements to this system. So again, just another great reason why it's important to have your house inspected by a quality inspector, and we would love to do that for you at Rod Inspects. Give us a call, 210-494-5560, and please like and share our videos. Thank you.